Good morning, sweet friends. Welcome back to another video. My name is Tawanda and this is Tawanda's Blessed Life, and today I have two quick Christmas DIYs for you all today. We're going to go ahead and jump into today's video. I hope you all enjoy. For this DIY, I have two placemats from Dollar Tree. I believe I got these last year. I went ahead and used my razor to create a little slit at the bottom. And I'm going to go ahead and just start to add my pillow stuffing. I love to create pillows using placemats. You can find the cheapest places to find placemats will be either Dollar Tree or the thrift store. So once I have my pillow stuffed, I'm going to just use my glue gun and use some hot glue to go ahead and attach my pillow. And that is going to be it for this DIY. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you're already subscribed, thank you for continuing to support my channel. I really do appreciate it. My name is Tawanda and this is Tawanda's Blessed Life. And on my channel, I do decorating on a budget, DIYs, and hauls with a sprinkle of migraine enlightenment. I would also like to thank all of my new subscribers for joining my YouTube family. Go ahead and jump back into today's video. Here I am adding the glue to my fabric there, and that is it for this DIY. You have to let me know what you think. We're moving right along to our last and final DIY for today. So I have two spindles. I have this fabric here. I have my pillow stuffing, and then I have my little template that I cut out, and I'm just showing you all that I went ahead and traced it already. And so the fabric that I'm using is actually from my pillowcases. So we have a king size bed, but we prefer to use standard size pillows. And so all of the king size bedding comes with king size pillowcases. So what I did was I just went ahead and cut off the excess pillowcase from the king size pillowcases to fit our standard pillowcases. And so this is some of the extra fabric that was left over, and I decided to keep it because it had those little trees on it, and I thought these would be really cute DIYs. Here I am creating some little Christmas tree DIYs. So I went ahead and cut out my triangles. I'm going to go ahead and hot glue them together. I'm going to flip them inside out, and then I'm going to start to use my pillow stuffing to stuff my trees. I'm going to put the spindle inside of the tree, and I'm going to hot glue it all together. After I had the tree hot glued onto the spindle, I was looking at it and just felt like it needed something else. So I actually did go back and add a little bit more of the stuffing to kind of make it a little bit more fuller. And then I took some twine and some of the little bells. I tied two bells to the twine and wrapped it around the spindle. And then I felt like I needed something else. So then I took some of the larger twine, and then I wrapped it around the spindle also. And then I added a bow. And that is it for this DIY. I love the way that these turned out. You'll have to let me know what you think. And I would like to thank you all for spending part of your day with me. And if you like what I am doing, please like, share, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And like I always say, be nicer, be kinder. God will love you for it. And I hope you have a blessed day. And I will see you all on Sunday. Goodbye.